Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in to another episode of NotAnalog.com. It's a fair few episodes in, and I used to do it on webcam, the one which I'm using now, and I wanted to step it up a little. I want a better camera. So instead of using webcams and things like that, I stepped up to the Ultra HD by Cisco. It's the Cisco Flip Cam. This is obviously the box, otherwise I wouldn't throw it around like that. Inside the box is a little box, and inside that box is this great little piece of kit. So small, little handheld device. Just to give you a bit of a tour, on the side, mini HDMI port, and this is obviously the flip arm. So this is why it's called the flip. I guess it's for that reason. And that is how you plug it into a computer to charge it or to transfer videos across for editing and things like that. So I'm going to close that back in again. Obviously the business is on the front, and right at the back, little play button, little delete button, and some navigational buttons. One to zoom in, zoom out, left, right for navigation, and just for recording. On this side, a little power button. So I'm just going to turn it on. You'll see it's instant on. Push the record button, instantly recording. So quick. Take it off recording, and bye. Where's the play button? Press play. Record button, instantly recording. So quick. So really easy to use, and a simple to use camera. It's got a little dock at the bottom for what am I thinking? For docking onto a tripod, which I do. I'm now using a little Joby tripod, which is working really cool for me. And at the bottom is a little thing to take off the back lid. Inside this camera, let me just turn this off. Inside the camera, there it is, flicked the wrong way. Inside the camera is rechargeable AA batteries, or they're AAA, they're AA, which you can also replace with just normal AA batteries. So if this goes flat, if you carry a couple of spares with you, you can chuck it in. I was a little disappointed when I saw that because I thought they would have a lithium battery, but I guess, I don't know, maybe because you can interchange batteries, it's a good idea for AA. Interesting. One of the other criticisms of this device, I'll admit, is that it has the flip. I would rather a USB cable or another hole, like a micro USB port, so I could just go from there to the PC, mainly because that can't plug into every USB port on every computer. The image, or the way they advertise it, is that it plugs in sideways and it fits beautifully because of the height into a laptop USB port. Well, what if I have a desktop? Hanging that by that joint is not going to be a good thing. So what I decided to use to counteract that is I'm using a little USB extension cable where I plug the flip into this, and that goes into my PC, just because it gives me that little bit of more confidence. I'm just worried about breaking that. So that's one of my criticisms. The second one is, yes, it does shoot 720p video, which is really good quality, but it doesn't take pictures. I don't know. I mean, I figure you've got the lens. Allow me to take pictures, and I would never need to carry a digital camera anymore. I would just use that for point-and-click photos as well as video. That would be beneficial to this camera. Also, maybe even upgrade it to 1080p. That could be good. So there's a couple of things, but I'll tell you what, as a camera to carry around in your bag, take some quick recordings, and to capture a trip or something like that, besides always taking photos, this is great because I don't have to carry a big little camera which I carry around and stuff like that. This does it. 720 is still really good quality. I'm not going to become a video snob. 720 is great, and it does about 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours of 1080p video. It's got an 8 gig hard drive in there. So one of the other things you can do is that once you edit movies on the built-in software that it has, which is very good as well, when you edit the movies, you can then copy them back onto the device and then watch it straight off the device, or plug it into your HDMI port and watch it on TV. So simple to use. The video editing software is very easy. I'm actually going to use it for this clip, so you'll see the intro and the outro, the little titles are going to be done with the Flip video software. And also having a little flip video thing at the end is great as well. I'm also going to put a link in this video to the videos that I did record at the Melbourne Grand Prix, so you can check that out and see the real quality of this product. I think it's something to be seen. So for a cheap little runaround camera, or if you're a really committed video blogger, This is a great little unit and so simple to use. I actually recommend it to anyone who's interested in doing some cool video stuff and doesn't want to sit in front of a laptop with a webcam anymore, like I am doing. Thankfully, this is going to be one of the last reviews that I ever do with a webcam because of this product. I've moved on. Goodbye, camera. I'll show you the other camera I've used. Got two of them in the room. This is what I have been using, a Logitech webcam. Not bagging out Logitech, but you've done your job. You can see the quality ain't bad, but for me, this. See the blur? I don't want the blur. No more blur. I want it to be good quality. I want to be able to zoom in with this product. I want to get close. I want to carry this everywhere so I can do reviews wherever I want, whenever I want. On my little Joby, because this thing wraps around trees and heads. It's so, so good. So I'm going to be doing a little bit more of that. So this has given me the freedom to do whatever I want, whenever I want, and to bring it to you. Thank you for watching. Alright, slight problem. I just went to try and put that video onto the camera so that I could do and use the Flip Video software to make this film. Turns out I can't because the quality of the footage that I record on the webcam is at 15 frames per second and it's not supported because it's just not good enough. So anyway, I'm going to do it with my normal video editing software. It's just the way it is. So, but happily, I'm on to the next one. This one. Cue the music. On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. Ciao.